Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you see who shared your reel on Instagram. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, of course, let's open your Instagram on Play Store or App Store just to make sure you have the app updated to the latest version, just like that, because we want this process to run smoothly and we have the same steps. Let's close the App Store or Play Store. Now open Instagram. From here I'm gonna go ahead and quickly create a reel because I don't have no reels on my account right now. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. It shouldn't take long. I'm gonna record a very short video just for or to use it as an example in this tutorial. This is enough. I'm gonna go ahead and post this as a reel. Next, and then I'm gonna do nothing here. I'm just gonna share it directly, and then not now. I'm gonna confirm. Yep, just like that. Wait for it to upload. Should take a couple of seconds. Alright, it's taking a little bit more. Should be here any minute. And okay, here it is. All right, let me go ahead and tap on it, and then once I tap on the three dots that are right under the save button, I should get more options here. I'm not getting those options because I'm on a personal account and my account is private. If you're on professional and your account is public, you should get these options instead. And then from here you can tap on the view insights button right under edit, and you find this screen. It says current public reshares. It shows you who reshared your reel on Instagram. That's basically how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also thank you very much for watching. See you in future videos.